Well, honestly, most of the storms over here. Let's not get people's residence in. That was actually pretty cool. Looks good to me. Yeah. To the left, it's pretty cool too. Occasionally. How much time do I have to get back to the car before it gets hail damage? That is the question. Okay, I'm not looking at the camera. Just kind of looking around. Yeah, it's still pretty intense in the distance. Anyway. I actually didn't want to go down there. Yeah. Hard to explain. Let's go over here. Yeah, my screen just went out. So I cannot see what you're seeing, but to me it looks like right over here. And yeah, I just moved it just in the nick of time to not get the picture. Yeah. That's how it works. Yeah, I'm just looking up, seeing what's above me. I do have a helmet with me in case it starts hailing. That's a joke. Actually, it looks like to the north there may be something else going on. I don't have a radar pulled up by any means. Just got this GoPro out here. So I'm starting to hear the thunder. Let me put my glasses back on. So here are these lightning strikes. Let's look up. I think I'm good for a couple minutes. Maybe. Maybe. Probably not. Let's actually get... Let's get these towers. Now, most of the lightning's actually occurring over here. Yeah, I was wanting to do some something else this week with... Yeah, I don't want to show people's lights. So let's go up there. I want to do something else this week with place I actually think this storm's going to hit. So hey, maybe tomorrow morning we're going to have some damage to cover. I don't know. This video will definitely not be up before the morning. It takes hours to upload this stuff. We just got, yeah, there it is. So there's way more over here, but there are residences, and I don't want to, you know, film them. So I think I need to move locations, quite honestly, because let me see. Can I get this? There's gonna be lightning strikes up here. It's moving to the north of where I am at right now. Just saw a flashlight. That's interesting. Well, yeah, it's moving north. No doubt about it. I do have a car coming. I want to see if they run into me or not. Hopefully not. And then I'm out of here. That was actually really pretty. It's crazy that no one else has enough courage to come out here at midnight and film this stuff. Like, that is terrifying. Maybe you cannot see this, but that black, man. Even whenever it's dark, like, that looks terrifying. Like, it looks like, what's that movie? It's not Men in Black. Independence Day. That's what it looks like. There's a big old saucer coming for us. That's what it looks like. So, I might have to get into the bunker. I gotta check that radar. It's a decent amount away from me right now. So don't expect this video to be uploaded today. Okay, I'm gonna keep recording. Even, probably leave it out, but in case I get struck by lightning, whatever. So. This is actually pretty good. Yep.